Most people move to Bowling Green thinking that they know exactly what life they like until they actually live here, because what looks good online can feel completely different day to day. Your commute, where you grab coffee, how busy things actually get, that's what ends up shaping your experience here, not just the house. So in this video, I'm walking you through what a day living in Bowling Green actually looks like, so you can decide if it truly fits your lifestyle. If we haven't met, I'm Nikki Adams, and I'm a realtor here in Bowling Green, and I help people, especially those relocating or planning a move in the next few months, figure out not just what to buy, but where to live based on their lifestyle and their long-term goals. And as we go through this, here's one thing I want you to keep in mind. Bowling Green is easy living, but that comes with trade-offs. A typical morning might look like grabbing coffee at Spencer's Coffee or breakfast at Wild Eggs without feeling rushed or overcrowded. And if you're commuting, especially around the Western Kentucky University or the Scottsville Road area, it's usually really predictable. Not no traffic, but nothing like a major metro. This is exactly the kind of pace a lot of my relocation clients are looking for. But here's where Bowling Green really starts to stand out. Midday is all about convenience. Most of what you need is centered around Scottsville Road, which makes getting through your day a lot simpler. And this is something people don't fully appreciate until they live here. You can actually run errands, grab lunch, and get what you need done without it taking your entire day. Whether you're working from home or heading out for a quick lunch or just knocking things off your to-do list, everything feels close and manageable. Afternoons here really depend on your lifestyle, but this is where the flexibility shows up. If you have kids, you'll see activity around schools and parks. Places like Kariakis Park are popular for walking, sports, and just getting outside. And if you're working remotely, this is one of the reasons people are moving here. It's quieter, less hectic, and gives you more breathing room in your day. Evenings here are more laid back, but not boring. You've got a great local spot like the Pub by Novo, Gino's Italian Deli, and Burger and Bowl, whether you're grabbing something casual during the week or meeting friends on the weekend, but it's not the kind of place where you feel like you always have to be out doing something. It's more about having options without the pressure or pace of a bigger city. And honestly, weekends are where Bowling Green really shines. You've got places like Lost River Cave and the National Corvette Museum, but what a lot of people love is this. You can have a quieter, slower home base and still be close enough to Nashville for a day trip when you want something more. That balance is the big reason people choose to live here. Now, this is important because Bowling Green isn't for everyone. If you're used to fast-paced city with constant activity, nightlife, and things always happening, this might feel slower than what you expect. And while the city is growing, it's not going to offer the same level of amenities as a major metro. And that's the trade-off. Who's it for? Bowling Green is a great fit if you're looking for more space for your money, a manageable, less stressful day-to-day lifestyle, and a place that feels balanced, not overwhelming. It's especially ideal for people relocating with families and remote workers who want that slower pace without feeling disconnected. If you're planning a move to Bowling Green in the next 3 to 6 months and want help figuring out where you should live based on your lifestyle, not just what you're seeing online, reach out to me directly. I work best with buyers who want guidance, strategy, and someone who can help them make a smart long-term decision, not just find a house. And if you want more videos on what it's really like living here, make sure to subscribe. I post new content every week.